Okay, today we're gonna do a new workout routine. So basically I'm creating a new series. So in this series, what will I be shooting? So I'll be giving you a full week routine. Basically this full week routine is, instead of doing a full body workout, you will concentrate each day in one part. For example, one day you will do upper body exercises, another day you do legs exercises, and another day you do a cardio or HIIT workout. Today we will do upper body routine. So the upper body routine will actually target your chest, your back, and your shoulders, and your biceps and triceps. Okay, this is what today's exercise. So for the chest, what we will do a normal push-ups and we will do a decline push-ups. Okay, and for the back extension, we will do two exercises: bent over back extension, and then you will be lying on the mat and then do a back extension. Then we will target the shoulders. Shoulders will have two exercises. One is the shoulder press, and another one is front raises and side raises. Okay. And then our third exercise is for the biceps and also for the triceps. So we will do bicep curls and also we will do a triceps. So let's get started. Warm-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get on to our first workout, guys. So we will do for the chest first. So let's do 10 to 12 reps into 3 sets. So make sure your hands are parallel to the shoulder when you go. Should be parallel to your shoulder, and then slowly go down. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is our first workout. We'll repeat 2 more times and then we'll go to the next one. Okay. So we'll do our next exercise is the decline chest press. So you have to go keep your shoe and make sure your hands are parallel to your shoulder and then go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bent over back extension. Okay, let's do. So basically you need to bend over Make sure your legs are parallel to your hips and then bend. So your back should be straight. And take your hands to the straight and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure your bend is straight and only your hands are moving. And don't take it beyond your body. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So basically you have to go on mat and lift your leg and hands and then push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For the shoulders, so you ready there? You need 2 water bottles. Okay? Make sure you put it parallel to your shoulder, legs, and then push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure the motion is you are doing slowly and don't bring your elbows below the shoulder. It should be only to the shoulder level. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So once you do the shoulder, the next one is lateral rises and front rises. So what you will do? 1. This is 1. 2, 3, 4. So this is for your shoulders, guys. This is really a good workout. Basically, it will get you the side shoulder muscle and the front shoulder muscle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and our last 2 exercises for your hands. So basically you need to make sure bring it up. 1, 2. Make sure your upper hand is not moving when you do your biceps curls. Only the back hand has to go down and come up. You should not shake like this. Not like this. So your hand should be stiff to your body and only your lower hand should be moving. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are our triceps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side. can take till here and then push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Let's do a cool down. So cool down is very important, guys. So basically you will stretch each muscle group so that it will not pain you after the workout. So 10 seconds stretch each muscle group. First your hand. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then your hand, make sure you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to push your hands away from your body. Basically your hand fingers should go, try to push away from your body and feel the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Also bend downwards and try to stretch down as much as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And also upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to push your hands as much as possible and lift your body on your toes and then feel the full stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then your hands. So take it above your head and try to push with other hand towards your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. So it's very easy and very effective. You are not able to go to gym and you are not able to hit all your muscle groups. Try this once, guys. This is gonna really help you. So basically we attached all our upper body muscle groups. Basically starting from your chest, your back muscles, your shoulders, and then your biceps and also your triceps. Hope you enjoyed this workout, guys. Thanks for watching my channel and thanks for all your support. Please tune into this series. So I'll start a new series. So the first we did today upper body workout. My coming videos will be for the lower body, and also we will see which HIIT workout will be more effective. Basically one day you do a upper body, lower body, and then HIIT. That means either cardio routine. So we'll do either circuit workout or HIIT workout. So these are really effective, guys. You just need 3 days and then take a 1 day gap and again 3 days. Goodbye, guys. See you soon on my next video.